I'm Phil Hulett, 45-plus year broadcaster and voice of the Anaheim Ducks. In the arena, we cheer for heroes. In the economy, we invest in them. National Invest in Veterans Week is about more than recognition. It's about action. And across the country, leaders are stepping up. In South Carolina, the General Assembly unanimously adopted a resolution recognizing National Invest in Veterans Week, uniting both the House and Senate to support veteran-owned businesses and their impact on the state's economy and communities. Across the country, in Douglas County, Oregon, commissioners went a step further, issuing a formal proclamation supporting veteran-owned businesses, employers who hire veterans, and individuals who invest in veterans through mentoring and leadership. This is what leadership looks like. This is how you support those who serve. Follow their lead. Support veteran-owned businesses. Join the movement at nationalinvestinveteransweek.com.